Welcome back to the channel, guys. On today's video I'm going to be replacing this side wall of this van, and I already started going ahead stripping all inside, which is fully built van inside. So I'll have to just go inside and strip it all before I start cutting this panel off, take the bumpers off and everything else. So you can see it's actually quite bad, and I have to replace the bottom half of that panel. Okay guys, all stripped, and I actually went ahead and just lifted off the floor, so higher up, so I can get to the these bottom areas better. And now we start process of cutting this off. Okay guys, so I've got everything ready, the panel to go on. Everything there is repaired, cleaned, spray some copper spray, everything's ready. Panel's ready here. We paint it inside the panel, that's what we like to do. And I'm actually going to go ahead and stick this panel on. I'm going to use the power bond water stuff, as well as some spot welding and welding stuff, and get this panel on. Okay guys, I've got it tacked in, and now before I weld it, I'm actually going to give a little tip to the young panel beaters. I know they're watching. this is the door side, the new panel and the sliding door in this side. By not removing, I don't know if you will see it, old sealer line there, I can actually put this panel exactly when it wants to be, and that way I don't have to try the door on pretty much, because I can push this panel right in there. Yeah, and that way I can push this panel in as far as the old one went, and I'll be 100% sure it will fit to the sliding door. The other side is actually okay, because the obviously have to be flushed with this side panel, so that's nothing to worry about. But this side, I've got a little tip there. Okay guys, it's all ready to go to the spray booth. I've got sealed that down this side. This side is not too bad. It's pretty easy to do, but you'll probably see me this side, this joint there. It's pretty hard actually. It took me about 3 attempts or 4 attempts trying to get it perfect as I could with the hand, you know, trying to make something like this by hand. You know, we're only humans, we're not machines, and if you thought it's, you know, you have to be perfect, let me show you something down the other side. This side is actually side panel and the sliding door. You can see how that's not perfect there. Okay guys, that's the vehicle done now. I won't be talking numbers. I didn't have the final check yet. And I'm going to actually show you what's the next video going to be like. This is DAF XF. DAF XF, which we put the new post in front, A-pillar. It was smashed in. So please do stick around if you want to see the next video, and thank you for watching. See you on the next one.